Life was a whirlwind. I was a very busy mom. I had a newborn with a career that I was balancing. When my son was 4 weeks old, I decided I needed some me time, so I took a venture out of my house by myself to the mall. And the last thing I remembered was leaving my driveway. And then I woke up in an emergency room. It was a seizure, and that seizure led to the discovery of a brain tumor. The approach that was discussed is the classic cranial incision, which is ear to ear, and my face would be pulled down to access the tumor. However, the results of this type of surgery could result in facial paralysis, and it was scary for me to think that my children wouldn't know if I was happy or sad. Thankfully, my plastic surgeon suggested an alternate approach. A bone window would be made here on my brow bone and the tumor removed that way. And this would ensure that the contours of my face stayed the same, that I wouldn't have any paralysis or loss of muscle movement. The tumor was removed, and he meticulously sutured the line of my eyebrow back, and he made me appear as if the surgery never happened. He knew that I had an active little family, that I had a job to go back to, and really, really went above and beyond to make sure that I had physically the best possible outcome, and also that I was confident going forward to fulfill my life. When I left that operating room and I left the hospital, I felt a wave of relief, and I felt confident that I look how I always had prior to my surgery. I looked like my husband's wife. I looked like my children's mother. I looked like my parents' daughter. I look like how I know myself to be.